Lines of cars snake at testing clinics amid surging cases. One of those who had to get tested is a devastated restaurant owner who's had to close due to a close contact during what would have been his busiest period.
It's not really the roadmap that we saw coming out of the borders opening. Losing staff because we had to enforce the mandate of needing them to be double vaxxed, turning away people that aren't vaccinated. For what?
Queensland has had another record day of cases with 186 new infections. 177 of those are still under active investigation.
It's everywhere, and we know that we're not picking up every case. We know that.
Authorities say of those in hospital, only one is seriously ill.
The vaccines appear to be working and they are protecting Queenslanders from getting seriously sick.
Queenslanders are being urged to get their boosters as soon as they're eligible. On the Sunshine Coast, residents were trying to heed the order, only to find out there were none left.
So I'm trying to do the right thing for myself and my family. And yeah, I find it really frustrating that I'm going to contemplate coming here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning to try and get this done.
It's pretty contradictory, isn't it? Because you hear there's plenty of vaccine, there's plenty around this, but then you hear there's only 150 here, and you think, well, that doesn't sound like plenty to me.
90% of Queenslanders over 16 have now had one dose, with more than 85% fully vaccinated. From tomorrow, masks will be mandatory for hospitality workers and cinema and theatre patrons and staff. It's an extension of the mask mandate for shopping centres and on public transport.
So now we're asking people to put their masks on because people do not yet have their boosters. So until everyone has their boosters, we need to look after one another.
Major vaccination hubs like this one at the Convention Centre will close down from Christmas Eve to January 4th. The government insists while some will scale down and then scale up, others will open, ensuring people can still walk in to get their jab. More than 257,000 people have come into Queensland since Monday.
We're just happy to get here, so we're very happy that they opened the borders.
Interstate travellers are required to be tested before travelling to Queensland, straining testing capabilities.
It is important that we focus the PCR tests on those who are close contacts and those who are symptomatic, and people who can get those tests and not be standing in queues with other people who are just looking to get on a plane.
But the Premier is standing her ground.
And guess what? I don't want it rampant here in Queensland at the moment. I want Queenslanders to have a good, safe New Year.
However, Ms Palaszczuk says health authorities will investigate the use of rapid antigen tests in January. Rachel McGee, ABC News, Brisbane.